Most people think they missed their chance to make real money online. They missed Bitcoin. They missed NFTs. They missed early YouTube. They missed Instagram growth before the algorithm changed. And because of that, a lot of people believe the next big opportunity is already gone too. But what if I told you that right now, in 2026, we are standing at the very beginning of something bigger than influencer marketing, bigger than short form video, and bigger than anything we've seen in the creator economy so far? That thing is AI influencers. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how regular creators are building AI influencers, turning them into content machines, and getting paid for it without needing a big audience, without brand deals, and without showing their own face. This is not theory. This is not hype. This is already happening. And the platform making this possible is called Higgsfield. Let's start from the beginning. For the past few years, social media has been dominated by human influencers. Brands paid them to promote products, creators chased sponsorships, and the entire system revolved around followers, engagement, and visibility. But that system has problems. Human influencers get tired. They burn out. They need constant filming. They need lighting, locations, retakes, and energy. And most importantly, brands don't actually care if the influencer is real. They care about attention. That's where AI influencers come in. AI influencers don't sleep. They don't age. They don't get sick. They don't miss deadlines. And now, with the latest AI technology, they don't even look fake anymore. If you've seen hyper realistic AI influencer videos on Instagram or YouTube and had to pause just to ask yourself, wait, is this a real person? You already understand how far this has gone. Higgsfield is one of the companies pushing this technology forward faster than almost anyone else. Their mission is simple: to become the most creator friendly AI platform in the world. And instead of just giving creators tools, they're also giving them a way to earn money directly. That's the key difference. Higgsfield is built around two main products. The first one is called AI Influencer Studio. The second one is called Higgsfield Earn. Together, these two tools allow anyone to create a fully original AI influencer, generate realistic video content, publish it on social media, and get paid based on performance. No sponsors required. No clients needed. No audience size requirement. Let's talk about AI Influencer Studio first. AI Influencer Studio is not just another AI image generator. It's a complete character creation system. Inside the studio, you can build a digital persona from scratch. You control how your AI influencer looks, feels, and presents itself. We're talking about more than 90 different parameters: skin tone, facial structure, body type, style, identity, vibe. There are no predefined normal templates forcing everyone to look the same. You can create something hyper realistic, something stylized, something futuristic, or something the internet has literally never seen before. And the most important part is this: the character is yours, not rented, not shared, not reused by other creators. It's a completely original digital persona. The workflow is designed to feel natural, even if you've never used AI tools before. You can start by generating a UGC style influencer image, the kind that feels casual and social media friendly. From there, you can edit and refine the character using prompt based adjustments until it matches your exact vision. If you want to push creativity further, you can even mix presets or merge characters. That means you can combine features from multiple characters to create something new, like twins, hybrids, or unconventional anatomy that would be impossible in real life. This is where AI stops being a shortcut and starts becoming a creative advantage. But static images are only half the story. The real magic happens when you bring the character to life. Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio includes a powerful motion engine. This motion engine allows your AI influencer to move, express emotions, and behave like a real person on camera. You can generate up to 30 seconds of high quality HD video with smooth, realistic motion and expressive presence. The result doesn't look like animation. It looks like content that belongs on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even long form videos. And all of this happens without a camera, without actors, and without filming anything in the real world. Once your video is generated, it's ready to post. No extra editing required. This alone would already make AI Influencer Studio an impressive tool. But Higgsfield didn't stop there. Because creating content is great, but monetizing it is what actually matters. That's where Higgsfield Earn comes in. Higgsfield Earn is the first monetization platform that pays creators directly for AI influencer content. No waiting for brands, no sponsorship chasing. You earn directly from Higgsfield. Here's how it works. You log in and connect your social account like Instagram or YouTube. If you meet the eligibility criteria, congratulations, you can start earning immediately. Ownership is verified instantly. No approvals, no waiting. You post your AI influencer video like normal, copy the link, and paste it into your Higgsfield Earn dashboard. From there, your content is tracked. As it gets views and performs, you earn rewards. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a big creator. What matters is the content. You create your AI influencer once, turn it into video, download, post, and earn. No agencies, no middlemen, no gatekeepers. Higgsfield Earn turns AI content into a real, trackable income stream. And this is just the beginning. Creators who start now are getting ahead very early. And that's how AI influencers are changing the game in 2026. You don't need a big audience or expensive gear to get started. If you want more AI and tech tips to earn online, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below what niche would your AI influencer be? I'll reply to your ideas. Check the links in the description to start your AI influencer with Higgsfield today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where a lot of people expect things to get expensive. The good news is that Higgsfield offers flexible pricing plans designed for different types of creators. Whether you're just starting out and want to experiment, or you're a professional creator producing content regularly, there's a plan that fits your workflow. You're essentially paying for access to cinematic-level tools that would normally cost thousands in cameras, lenses, and production gear. When you look at it from that perspective, the value makes a lot of sense, especially for creators who want high-quality visuals without high production costs.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and tech content on TriTech AB. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.